Welcome back to the regular YouTube channel again. We have another Operation Weather. Um, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Ashland, not north central Ohio, northeastern Ohio. Well, north central Ohio includes Ashland, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland. Northeastern Ohio includes Ashtabula, Geneva, Holmes, Monterey, Medina, Port Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne counties. North in Pennsylvania, in this watch includes two counties, Crawford and Erie. This is until 9 o'clock this evening. We just did the severe thunderstorm warning. Now we got a severe thunderstorm watch right now. And here's the locations right now. Includes Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Ashtabula, Aurora, Austintown, Banbridge, Boardman, Brunswick, Burton, Canton, Carlington, and Chardon, Chester, Conneaut, Erie, Geneva, Kent, Kilbuck, Mansfield, Marion, Massillon, Meadville, Medina, Middlefield, Millersburg, Mount Glad, Mount Vernon, Niles, Orville, Ravenna, Redmond, South Russell, Streetsboro, Titusville's in this one, Wadsworth, Warren, Worcester, and Youngstown, all on that severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 9 o'clock this evening. I just read the Weather Channel back moments ago when we did that severe thunderstorm warning. I haven't heard any severe, I didn't hear anything about special weather statements yet. But we just popped up severe thunderstorm warning. The watch said Meadville and Titusville, but the warning didn't say. Yeah, we got 3 consecutive Operation Weathers. We got the heat advisory. We did that on Tuesday. And then today with severe weather. Said strong storms in this one. Yeah, I got a premiere at 7 p.m. or I should say 7:30 p.m. tonight. It's an Operation Weather for the severe thunderstorm warning. Well, I'm sorry, a special weather, a strong thunderstorm update in effect for Ashtabula, Crawford, Erie, or whatever it was in effect. It's on there too. And I got a premiere tonight at 9 p.m. on the Train Expert channel as well. I got 3 consecutive premieres tomorrow on the Train channel, including the afternoon premiere, and I have a couple at night. No, no, it's lit up right now. It's under partly cloudy skies right now. It's like 88, but feels like 94. I don't think the Weather Channel didn't say anything about not going to reach 90, but it's supposed to drop with those, thanks to the severe weather, or thanks to the thunderstorm forecast. Just trying to look and see if. Yeah, that's radar's right there on the top. It's where the storms are at, around Erie County and other side of Crawford County, but that's it. Oh, I was just plugging my ears, and I thought there was a severe thunderstorm coming, but it's not yet. So, all right, we're on for almost 10 minutes. So we're gonna get off right now. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for 15 counties in Ohio. Includes Ashland, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Ashtabula, Geneva, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Port Stark, Summit, Trabone, and Wayne counties in Ohio, and Crawford and Erie counties, plus the two other watches there too for Crawford and Erie counties in Pennsylvania until 9 o'clock this evening. The locations there includes Akron. We're going to repeat the locations one more time and then we got to go. Includes Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Ashtabula, Aurora, Austintown, Bainbridge, Boardman, Brunswick, Burton, Canton, Cardington, Chardon, Chesterland, Conneaut, Erie, Geneva, Kent, Kilbuck, Mansfield, Marion, Massillon, Meadville, Medina, Middlefield, Millersburg, Mount Gilead, Mount Vernon, Niles, Orsville, Ravenna, Rittman, South Russell, Streetsboro, Titusville. That's right, Titusville's in this one. Wadsworth, Warren, Worcester, and Youngstown, all on a severe thunderstorm warning until 9 o'clock p.m. tonight. We just had the severe thunderstorm warning until 3:45 for Ashtabula, Erie, and northern Crawford counties. They didn't say Titusville or Meadville, not this morning. Not this morning, no. So we're going to get off right now. And thanks for joining us here on the regular channel page on YouTube. Yep. Severe thunderstorm. Yeah, this is in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. tonight as far as the severe thunderstorm watch is concerned. All on this Thursday, June 16th, 2022 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to our regular channel page on YouTube as well. We got over 300 videos on YouTube on there as well to enjoy. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey Train Expert on YouTube as well. We just got to 800 train videos on YouTube either today or last night. I think it was today, yeah. But that's going to be it here. Thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube. And we'll talk to you guys on the next weather update. Talk to you later.